Alright, I'm Chris Hansen from Sequoia, and my lesson is over graphing linear equations. We'll also, at the beginning, learn to identify equations that are in standard form and slope-intercept form. On the first page, I've identified the two types of equations and how to recognize them. I've then incorporated a vortex activity where they can drag the equations to the proper type so they can practice identifying them. This is my page over standard form. We call it the cover-up in my classroom. And to find the X Intercept, all they need to do is to drag the hand over and cover up the Y. And as they do so, it reveals how to find the X Intercept. You do the same thing to find the Y Intercept by covering up the X, and when you do, you find the Y Intercept. On the next page, I've listed the X and Y Intercept. You're supposed to drag your dots over to the correct points and drop them down. Then it asks you to draw your own line. So you can draw your line, and then choosing the pointer, you should be able to click and see the correct line appear to see if you've done it correctly or not. This is the slope-intercept, and once again they can identify the y-intercept and the slope. They would then place the dots in the correct positions. Using the slope, they would count up 2 and over 3 to find where the second point goes. Then you would draw the line once again and then click to reveal it once they've drawn their own. And then I have two practice problems. The first one's in slope-intercept form. Here they would answer what type it is and what they must do, and then they can place the points where they belong. And they could draw their line just like before, and then they could click to see if they've done it correctly or not. And then on the final page, I've done the same thing one more time, this time with the standard form following the same process.